In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. If you want to delete photos you no longer need much faster on this Sony, here's how I do it on mine. First of all, you need to access Photos app and tap on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Then hold one of your pictures, let's start with Photos section, and use those icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-ups. If you want to get rid of them from collections, tap on them here, pick one of your albums, hold one of your photos as well, and use the same dots at the top right corners. The only difference is that your pin icon is now located at the top right corner of your screen, so you need to click on it here and confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!